Good morning. Let us start with today's session. So again, I have taken one practical example. Let us say the question says like this: solve the following assignment problem. That's it. The question is only solve the following assignment problem. And you can see there are five contractors, and the major contractors are L&T, Tata, JMC, Eagle, HCC. They all are the construction companies. And there is a tender floated, let us say, by the government, by BMC. There is a tender floated. They have to repair the roads for the particular regions. That is Panvel, Thana, Mumbai, and Mira Road. And the cost associated in lakhs are rupees this one. That is, if L&T is actually there is a tender process and they have quoted this much amount of tender. So L&T has tendered or quoted that if they are allowed to repair the roads of Panvel, they will be charging only 9 lakh rupees. On the other hand, if they are allotted Thane, they will be charging 14 lakhs, Mumbai 19 lakhs, and Mira Road 15 lakhs. So the problem with the authorities is which roads to be assigned to which company such that the total cost, the overall cost of construction is minimum. Again, I repeat, this is an important thing. The overall cost should be minimum, not the individual cost should be minimum. The overall cost of entire repair should be minimum. And what they have asked again, rupees 50 lakh is the total cost of repairs. Okay. Find the best way of assigning the repair work to contractors. Okay. Now what does it mean? Rupees 50 lakh is total cost of repairs. As you all know, there is a budget for everything. So what the budget is only 50 lakhs. Okay. The budget to repair all these roads is only 50 lakh rupees with the authorities. And they are now telling that within this 50 lakhs, you have to manage the contracts. So first thing is you have to find out what is the best way of assigning the repair work to contractors. The second thing is if it is necessary to seek supplementary grants, then what should be the amount? So for example, let us say when we solve the problem, we get the minimum cost as rupees, let us say 54 lakhs. Just I'm giving an example. After solving as our regular procedure by our regular procedure, we get the final answer that minimum cost, the best cost after assigning the best person to the best job is, let us say, 54 lakhs. But now scenario is there is only 50 lakhs available in the budget, so you will need some supplementary grants, you need some additional grants. So that is the only question, that the necessary supplementary grants are there if it is required. So let us say if it comes out to be 48 or 49 lakhs or 50 lakhs, then no supplementary grants are required. But if it is crossing 50 lakhs, then we will say that supplementary grants are required. And how much is required, we will solve and let them know. And the third one is which of the five contractors will be unsuccessful in the bid. So it is quite obvious that there are four roads only, or there are only four sections which are to be developed, but there are five contractors here. So one of the contractor will be such that he will be not getting any of the roads for repair, or he will be not getting the tender. Anyone has doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, continue.
So if no doubts, can someone tell me what will be the first step here?
Dummy column.
Dummy column. Very good. So here you can see there are 5 rows, but there are only 4 columns. That means the number of roads or number of jobs are less. So what we have to do to proceed in our solution, we have to first add a dummy road. We have to first add a dummy job. So what we will see, as much step number 1, it is not correct because number of rows is not equal to columns. Then what we need to do, we need to add the dummy column here. So I have written step number 1B. And after adding the dummy column, the question will be looking like this. So just what we have done, we have added a dummy column with the values as 0. Because it is dummy, there is no cost or time associated with that particular rows. Now this problem becomes our regular problem because we can now proceed as number of rows are equal to number of columns. So going by our regular procedure, first step, select the smallest number from each row and subtract it from other rows numbers in the same row. So if I go row wise now see a beautiful thing. This step will be eliminated. Why? Because by adding the dummy row, because by adding the dummy column, all the rows has 0 in it as a baseline. So if in the first row you will see already 0 is available, that is the minimum number. second, third, fourth, fifth. In all the rows, the minimum number is 0. So this step is already being done. So no need to again. What students do the mistake? What students do the mistake? They select 9 as the minimum number. This is the mistake done by the students in exam. What they do? They select this 9 as the minimum number and then subtract it 9 minus 9, 14 minus 0. Sorry, 14 minus 9, 19 minus 9, 15 minus 9. There is no need because there is already one 0 available. That is already one minimum number available. So we don't have to make it minimum ka minimum. Okay? So don't do it. This is a mistake which we find while checking the papers. Okay. So this step is not required. So I will repeat this matrix as it is. You don't have to repeat it. You will have to keep it as it is. Then third step, third step is select the smallest number in the column. Now you will come to this column side. So in column side, in first column, you will see that there are there is one minimum number in 3 different places. So this kind of problems also we have solved. No worries, you have to take the minimum number and subtract it from all the other numbers. So here I can see that 9 is the minimum number in this column. So I will do 9 minus 9. Here also it will be 9 minus 9. Here it will be also 9 minus 9, 10 minus 9 and 10 minus 9. Similarly, in second column the minimum number is 12 here. So what I will do, 14 minus 12, 17 minus 12, 18 minus 12, 12 minus 12 and 15 minus 12. So after doing this necessary calculation by subtracting, we will create a baseline and that baseline matrix will be looking like this. So you all also solve and tell me whether this matrix which I have written is correct or no as per the calculation point of view.
Right, sir.
If it is correct, then we will go to our next step. And what is the next step, which is a logical step, which you have to do is cover the zeros in minimum number of horizontal or vertical lines. How many lines you can cut all the zeros?
4.
4. Okay.
तो 4 ही है.
So most of you have told that 4 is the answer. 4 is the minimum lines. Let me check. Yes, I will also observe that there are 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is wrong solution. Although all the zeros are covering, it is not adhering to the minimum number criteria. So this is not the solution. Now someone will say 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that is correct because it is being covered with the 4 lines. Now someone can have another solution. Someone can have another solution which is cutting the entire matrix in 4 lines. So can anyone tell me what is that other option if it is available?
फोर्थ कॉलम को वर्टिकल.
Okay.
सर फर्स्ट, फोर्थ और फिफ्थ को वर्टिकल और फोर्थ रो को हॉरिजॉन्टल.
First, fourth or fifth को vertical and fourth को horizontal. Perfect. Perfect answer. This is also one option available. So if someone wants, they can also do this particular covering of zeros and columns. Both of them are correct. Or if someone has any other option also, that is also correct. But condition is it should be covered in minimum number of lines. So here after some brainstorming, we can see that there is no solution which will give me covering of zeros in less than 4 lines. So we will proceed with this particular solution. And now we have to check whether the number of lines which we have cut is equal to number of rows or columns. Yes or no?
No.
Okay, there is no. I will write L is less than N. L is less than N. And from here what we conclude that there is some company which is getting 2 jobs, or there are some jobs which is going to one single company. That is the conclusion which we can draw. So now what will be the next step?
सर जो अनकट एलिमेंट है उसमें से जो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट रहेगा उससे कट करना, सबको माइनस करना पड़ेगा सर.
आधा बताया, और भी कुछ है उसमें? आधा बताया तुमने.
और जो यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट हो रहा है वहाँ ऐड करेंगे.
Perfect. We have to select the minimum number of uncut element. So minimum number of uncut element, if you see from the entire matrix, is how much? It is, I think, 1. Correct?
1.
Yes. So this one has to be subtracted. Okay, let me make it here. This one which I have highlighted here in bold, this one has to be subtracted from every uncut element. So uncut elements are this. So it will be 5 minus 1. This will be 2 minus 1. 4 minus 1, 6 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 1 minus 1. And at the same time, we have to add it at the intersection points. So for my cases, the intersection points are this one. यहाँ पर intersection हो रहा है, so this will be plus 1 here. Here also there is an intersection, so it will be plus 1 here. Here there is an intersection, plus 1, and here there is a intersection, there will be plus 1. Now it is like this is as per my cutting of zeros. किसी ने अगर और तरीके से कटिंग किया है तो उस हिसाब से उसका वहां पर माइनस होगा और इंटरसेक्शन पे ऐड होगा. This step will differ from person to person. It depends on how they have covered the zeros in rows and columns. But the final solution will come as same. So after doing this, I will get this as my matrix. So now the question again goes to you. How many number of lines that is covering all the zeros?
5 हो गया.
फिर से 4 हो रहा है.
चार.
So what is that 4 combination? Can you tell me so that I can make here?
और डमी वाली को वर्टिकल.
डमी वाली को वर्टिकल. ओके डन. फिर
उसके बाद मीरा रोड वाली भी वर्टिकल.
मीरा रोड वाली भी वर्टिकल कर दिया. फिर
ईगल को हॉरिजॉन्टल.
ईगल को हॉरिजॉन्टल. ओके गुड. And this will be vertical. Perfect. So here we can see that this is one of the possibility in which it can be covered in minimum number of 4 lines. अच्छा, कोई ऐसा है जिसका 4 लाइन से भी कम में हो रहा है? It may be a possibility. We have to check it. Is there any person getting less than 4 lines?
नहीं sir.
So here it is. There are only 4 lines which can be possible. So now again we will check. Now again we are checking that it is not equal. So again what will be the step?
अनकट में माइनस करेंगे मिनिमम.
Same. कुछ नया नहीं है. It's a simple step. If L is not equal to N, we have to subtract the uncut number from all the subtract the minimum number from all uncut elements and add that at the intersection points. That's the simple rule.
1 sir.
1. The minimum number in uncut element is 1. तो अब वो 1 ये ले सकते हो, उससे मेरे को कोई मतलब नहीं है. I am just interested in the value. I am not interested in the place. I am interested in the value. What is the minimum value of the uncut element? So that is 1. So what I need to do is subtract that from all the uncut elements. So it will be 2 minus 1, 4 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. So this completes the subtraction part. Then what is the next step? In this step only, we have to add this particular number at the intersection points. So intersection point is, if I go line wise, I will get this as my intersection point. So this will be 2 plus 1 here. Then one more intersection is this point, so it will be 4 plus 1, and third intersection is this one, this particular part. So here also it will be plus 1. And after doing all this addition and subtraction, I should get this as my matrix. So this the matrix on the right hand side should be your answer. So please check and tell me whether it is correct or no.
हाँ sir, right.
Right. Okay. What should be the next step?
मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ लाइंस मालूम करना जो जीरो को.
So try to cover all the zeros in minimum number of lines. Now tell me how many lines are there to cover all the zeros?
5 sir.
5 आ रहा है.
5 आ रहा है.
5.
Okay. So here you can see that there are only 5 lines in which the zeros can be cut. Now again it is depending on you how you cover. You can go for all horizontal, you can go for all vertical, you can cut it the way which I have shown on the screen. Anything you can do. All the answers are correct. So here now we are coming to the solution that the number of lines are equal to number of rows and columns. So now we are satisfied that we have reached to the optimum solution. That number of lines is equal to number of columns, and now we can go for the assignment part. So here is the assignment part. So for that I have given you a simple shortcut. What you need to do is go row wise and select if there is any 1 0 in particular row. If I go for first row में देखो क्या हो रहा है, 2 0 मिल रहे, छोड़ दो. सेकंड रो में 3 है, भूल जाओ. थर्ड रो also we are finding out 2, leave it. Fourth row again there are 2 zeros, again leave it. Fifth row में भी 2 0 हो रहा है. So there is no way here that we can find out a single zero in the row side. How we will proceed further?
column wise sir थाने
Very good. Now if I go column wise, first column में तो 2 0 आ रहे हैं, भूल जाओ. Second column, now if you observe the second column, there is only 1 0 available, which is this one. Okay, so if as there is 1 0, I will assign this part, and once it is assigned, all the zeros in that particular row and that particular column should be cancelled, because of the assumption that one job should be for one person should be for one job. So this will be cancelled. Is there any possibility where you are getting single zero in row wise or column wise? Is that any possibility? Now this becomes an special case. स्पेशल केस क्या हो रहा है? पहला स्पेशल केस तो ये था बिकॉज इट वाज नॉट अ बैलेंस्ड प्रॉब्लम, सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट स्पेशल केस इन दिस प्रॉब्लम. नाउ कम्स द सेकंड स्पेशल केस इन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम ओनली. एक ही प्रॉब्लम में दो स्पेशल केस है, एंड नाउ व्हाट इज दैट स्पेशल केस? दैट स्पेशल केस इज दिस प्रॉब्लम हैज मल्टीपल ऑप्टिमम सॉल्यूशन. Now how I am telling this? How I am telling this that this has multiple optimum solution. So wherever you find a situation like this, that you are not getting a single zero, row wise or column wise, that means that there is a multiple optimum. You can assign that job to any person which has a baseline of 0. So here comes your wish. तुमको जैसे जिसको assign करना है, or you can do. Okay. So let us say that I am assigning this Panvel to Tata. I already told that this is not only the solution. कोई बोलेगा सर मैं इसको ये क्यों दूं, मेरे को ये वाला देना है, मुंबई देना है टाटा को, भाई दे दे, कोई इशू नहीं है, बिकॉज दिस हैज मल्टीपल ऑप्टिमम सॉल्यूशंस. यू कैन गिव दिस टू दिम टाटा ऑल्सो, यू कैन गिव टू टाटा पनवेल ऑल्सो एंड मुंबई ऑल्सो, दोनों दे सकते हो. आंसर, फाइनल आंसर विल कम एज सेम. वी विल सी दैट ऑल्सो. सो फॉर टाइमिंग लेट अस
डमी वाला देंगे.
क्या हुआ?
डमी में जो है,
डमी में क्या?
टाटा को डमी.
हाँ, इसको भी दे सकते हो, नो इश्यूज, कोई भी आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. यू कैन सिलेक्ट एनी जीरो. देखो लॉजिकली सोचो, जीरो का मतलब क्या है? यू असाइन टाटा, पनवेल, मुंबई और डमी. वी विल बी चार्जिंग, दैट कंपनी विल बी चार्जिंग 0 रुपीज ओनली. जीरो मीन्स अ बेस लाइन, जो वहाँ का उसका बेस था वही चार्ज करेगा. आइदर यू गिव हिम पनवेल, यू गिव हिम मुंबई और यू गिव हिम डमी. तो आप यहाँ पर कोई भी ले सकते हो. यू कैन सिलेक्ट एनी. फिर से मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, यू कैन सिलेक्ट एनी एज पर योर चॉइस. And when you select as per your choice, that problem becomes a special case, and that special case is alternate optimum solution. Okay, so here for timing, let us say I am taking Tata, I am assigning Tata to Panvel, so all the other zeros in that particular row and column will get cancelled out. So after cancelling out, now again we will check whether there is single zero available. So here, yes. In third row if you come, you will find this single zero. Okay, so you will assign this and cancel out all the zeros in other columns and rows. So this is cancelled. Now single zero is only available here, HCC. So this is assigned, and this will be cross-marked, this zero, and now finally this will be assigned. So what I will tell is, as all the assignments are made, solution is optimum. L&T will be going to Mumbai, Tata Panvel, JMC will not getting any contract because it is assigned to a dummy road. Then Eagle to Thana and HCC to Mira Road. Okay, the question was rupees 50 lakh is assigned, find the best way. So best way I have already shown you, this is the best way. There can be another best way also. Okay, then let us find the cost. So cost is coming out to be 56 lakh. If you add all that values which we have assigned, that is L&T to Mumbai, Tata to Panvel, Eagle to Thana and HCC to Mira Road, you will get 56 as the answer. So what was allotted? Allotted was only 50 lakhs in the budget. And the second question, if you see, it is said that how many supplementary grants is required. So we are requiring 56 lakh for road, but available is only 50. So I have to apply for 6 lakhs more. So that is the additional supplementary grant which is required. So my first answer is already on the screen. Second answer is already on the screen. And third answer is also on the screen. And what it says, which of the 5 contractors will be unsuccessful? So what can you tell from the answer written? क्या रहेगा तुम्हारा आंसर? Who will be unsuccessful?
JMC.
Simple. Because no road is assigned to JMC, we will write as my third answer as the JMC contractor will be unsuccessful in the bid. So here I have written here at the end JMC.
सर अगर ये असाइनमेंट जो है डिफरेंट रहता, कंपनी डिफरेंट रहती, तो ये मिनिमम
Yes.
कॉस्ट सेम रहता।
yes yes that's the only beauty of multiple optimum. मैंने आपको बोला ना, आप अभी कोई भी और भी लेके देखो, कुछ भी ले लो। मैं क्या लिया, टाटा को पनवेल लिया था, बराबर। आप किसी को भी रैंडम कुछ भी असाइन करो, जहां पर आपको 0 मिल रहा है, आप किसी भी एक को असाइन करो randomly and then see whether you are getting the same answer. I am sure that you will get the same answer, and that's why this is called as multiple optimum solution. आप इसको ये दे दो या दूसरे कुछ भी दे दो, the total cost will remain same, that is 56. That is the beauty of multiple optimum solution. समझ में आया?
यस सर।